Hi everyone, today I will be changing the glow plugs on my Jaguar XE 2-liter diesel 2015 model. I am by no means a professional, so please do not copy my actions. However, this is how I did it. For this I will be using the following tools and preparations. Please don't mind the bins and the tools being out of frame. New NGK glow plugs which I got from eBay. A torque wrench set between 15 and 20 Newton meters as per online suggestion. A 10mm glow plug socket from Amazon, an extension bit, a magnetic grabber to collect the plugs from the engine, WD-40, some rags, long nose pliers to take the hard-to-reach ignition cables off the plugs, an electric air duster to remove excess WD-40 and any other bits in the hole before removing the plugs. Let's get started. First, locate the glow plugs. Mine are on the passenger side of the car, and there are 4 on this engine. As you can see, I have already taken the engine cover off and lifted the bonnet. Before starting, make sure to run the car for at least 5 minutes to help with the removal of the plugs. I have located the first glow plug. I will show you the removal of the ignition wire first. This was very finicky as it is a very small hole. Most likely you are supposed to remove the intake manifold, but I didn't want to do that. It took me at least 5 minutes to pull this off, but using the long nose pliers really helped. I also moved the holder for the dipstick to free up a bit more room. Next, I pressed a rag into the bottom of the hole to minimize any spray of WD-40 on other parts. Then I gave it a quick spray of WD-40 and used the air duster to blow out any excess and debris. I also used the rag to dry it. I used the torque wrench to loosen the plug using the socket and extension. It is set between 15 and 20 Newton meters to ensure I don't snap anything. I made sure to loosen it in small bits at a time and then tighten it back up to remove any rust or binding parts in the threads. After it was loose enough, I used my hands to loosen it the rest of the way. And then use the magnet tool to remove it from the hole. I then put the new plug in using the same magnet tool. I use the socket with extension by hand to start the thread off and then use the torque wrench to tighten it to spec. I didn't capture any footage of me putting the ignition wire back on, but it was a lot easier as you just pop it back over the top. And I repeated the same steps for the other plugs. Here are a few small clips of that. Here is a quick look at the plugs that have come out. To be honest, they don't look bad at all, but I just wanted to get these done for learning's sake. And there you have it, the car starting up and now running great. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for staying. I would appreciate it so much if you could leave a like and a sub would be amazing. Thank you. See you in the next one.